Paternity fraud, legal right and recourse for fathers. Welcome to Family Law Nugget, your go-to channel for expert insight into family legal matters. I'm Chris Nietzsche, a specialist accredited children and family law solicitor, and today we're diving into a sensitive yet crucial topic. Paternity fraud, legal right and your recourse for fathers. Imagine this. You've raised a child for years. Pour your heart, soul, and resources into their upbringing, only to discover that you're not the biological father. This is shocking revelation. And that's the reality for many men who fall victim into paternity fraud. It is a devastating blow that can shatter families and leave fathers grappling with the whirlwind of emotions and, of course, legal question. In today's video, we'll unravel the complexities of paternity fraud in the UK legal system. We'll explore what constitutes paternity fraud, its implication, and most importantly, what recourse fathers have when faced with this heart-wrenching situation. First, let's define paternity fraud. It occurs when a mother knowingly misrepresents the biological father of her child, leading a man to believe that he's the father when he's not. This deception can have a far-reaching consequences affecting not only the father but also the child and, of course, extended family members. Now you might be wondering, is paternity fraud a crime in the UK? The short answer is unfortunately no. Surprisingly, paternity fraud is not considered a criminal offense in England and Wales. Instead, it falls under civil law as a tort of deceit. This means that while you can't press criminal charges, you may have grounds for a civil lawsuit. Now the question is, but what legal option do fathers have? Well, if you suspect you were a victim of paternity fraud, your first step should be to seek a DNA test. However, it's crucial to note that in the UK, you cannot just force anybody to undergo DNA testing without their consent. If a mother refuses, you may need to apply to the court for a special direction, which is under the for directions for a DNA test. If paternity fraud is confirmed, you may be able to pursue a civil case for damages. In some instances, courts have awarded compensation to deceived fathers. For example, in one high-profile case, a man was awarded £250,000 after discovering he wasn't the biological father of 3 children he had raised. However, it's important to understand that the legal landscape in this area still remains complex. The court often prioritizes in cases like this the welfare of the child above everything else. This means that even if you're not the biological father, you may still be required to pay child maintenance, especially in a case if you've acted as a child's father for a significant period. Yes. Time is also a critical factor. There's a 6-year limitation period for bringing a claim, starting from when you discover you could have reasonably discovered that you weren't the father and that it was a fraud. So, if you suspect paternity fraud, it's crucial to act promptly. Now, remember, while the law may seem tilted against the fathers in this situation, knowledge is power. By understanding your rights and the legal avenue available to you, you can better navigate this challenging situation. I hope I've been able to give you some little miniature advice. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all things concerning family law. Your legal knowledge could be the key to safeguarding your rights and your relationship with your children. So let's dive in. Subscribe and like. Thank you very much. Bye bye.